Hi everyone! Welcome to Minas Day Vlogs once again. Sa mga kapwa ko Filipino, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ken, kadigitay padak nga Ilocano, na imbag nga aldaw yu amin apo. It's cooking time once again guys. And so for today's video, I will be making another Filipino dish. In fact, this belongs to my place in Ilocos. So we call this Ilocano pork igado. Are you guys ready? Let's start! Okay guys, I'm back and done cooking. So this is pork igado Pork igado is actually a main Ilocano dish, but I use it as a topping for my pancit noodle. Anyway, we do this in Ilocos. So guys, presenting my version of Ilocano pork igado. I said my version because the original recipe they put liver and I did not. So let's eat. Mahalo again for watching. For those who are still new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I see you next video. Bye!